Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. I'm Wanda and this is Crazy Days. Today, the lemons, these are oranges that we picked, these are the lemons that we picked. Everybody want to know what we're going to do with them. The smell is fabulous. It's you just rub them and smell the orange. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half. We're going to use an old-fashioned juicer and I'm going to juice these lemons, and then I have this Pampered Chef little thing that it's like an egg tray kinda, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the juice into these and we're going to freeze them, and I'm going to label them in Ziploc bags for future use. And then I'm going to take the peelings and we're going to dehydrate them. So I have a knife. We're going to cut these. Ooh, they smell good. And the glass, let me show you this. The glass juicer that I have has little prongs on each side that are pretty sharp. And this one's been used a good bit. So, get it started. You put it on and just juice the old-fashioned way. And the seeds and everything comes out here. And you want to be careful that you don't let it slip and get your hand. And that takes everything out. I have a strainer and a bowl here. And what I'm doing there is mainly taking out the seeds. I just need the seeds, so I'm going to pour what little bit did not quite go through. And that's it. And then I put 2 of these out. I wasn't sure how many I would need, but we're going to put about a tablespoon of lemon. And that did 3 of these, so that's pretty cool. We're going to do the other half. So 1 lemon may do 1 tray and the other lemon do the other tray, so that's pretty good. And that gives me 6 tablespoons of pure, organic, Deep South grown lemon juice. And I think that is pretty good. Okay. This side did not have very many seeds in it. The other had more. And I'm trying really hard to not get my seeds in it. I don't mind a little pulp because the pulp is really good for you, but I need the seeds out. Think that will work. And it works out. I've got 6 of these out of 1 lemon, and those are some big lemons, guys. We had some really big lemons. The little lid fits on it, and you just freeze it. And that's all there is to it. And when you need fresh lemon juice, you pop these out. What I'll do is I'll let it freeze for a few hours and get frozen solid, and then I'll come in here and I'll take a Ziploc bag and write Deep South Lemons, or lemon juice on it, and label it and with the date, and I will pop these out and put over in it. And then when I need lemon juice, I have it. Isn't that awesome? And now some of these, we've been eating on these oranges and they are awesome. They taste well, but I've still got about 15 or so here. I'm thinking I'm going to juice some of those. I've been taking and dehydrating the peelings like I'm going to do with this. We're going to dehydrate all the peelings. You can use those dehydrated peelings by grinding them down, making a powder, and putting them in your baked goods. You can put them in smoothies, whatever you need, and it gives you your vitamin C. So dehydrating peelings like lemons and oranges is a great way to have your vitamin C, and you don't have to buy it from a store. So just a few tips from Deep South Homestead and Crazy Days on how to make your own lemon juice and dehydrated vitamin C. Thank you guys.